Oh, you couldn't hear me actually. Huh. Yes, hey everyone, hey, hello. Hey Psemo, hey Skneidem, hey Erix, Renosio, hey. Yeah, there will be a recording. Recording will be available at the Alternative Engine Jam YouTube channel. Hey Nesvars, awesome of you to join. Yeah, the recording will be available at Alternative Engine Jam YouTube channel, which I will post in a second in the chat so you can follow. Yeah, okay, cool. This is the YouTube channel, you should follow it. I will post stuff, and the reason is why I'm actually doing this on my personal channel, because I didn't know that there's 24-hour, I guess, verification for live streaming on YouTube. So the next live stream will be actually held on Alternative Engine Jam channel. So yeah, so that's fun. Okay, so yeah, the recording will be uploaded here also. So this time around, we had the theme Blind Spot, picked I guess randomly and suggested for from the community, and you can still suggest themes for the next jams, upcoming jams. It will be picked totally randomly from all the themes suggested so far. So if your theme isn't selected for the next jam, it can also still be selected later on. So we're building a big database, I guess, of themes to select. Yeah. So definitely suggest a new theme. It will be selected at some point, maybe, I don't know. Cool. So so this time around, okay, I guess let's go through the rules again. I won't read them all, and will just say, yeah, you have to use an open source engine, less known engine the better. You have to also open source your game code, and I guess have fun. You have 1 week to do it, and 2 days of voting period. Those are the rules this time around. There are slight changes from the previous jam, but I think this is okay format to have 2 days of voting instead of 1 week. But then again, I welcome all feedback from you. So if you do want to change some rules and stuff, please leave the feedback in the Discord channel. And the Discord is our open Game Dev Community Latvia Discord. So join that. Leave feedback for the jam, any suggestions, anything, go ahead. So okay, let's get into the games, shall we? Cool, so let's see, submissions. So we had 3 submissions, 3 awesome submissions. I have played them all, of course. I have rated them all, not on this account, but still. Yeah, let's go this time. Let's go starting from Bogged and ending with Watch Your Back. So Bogged is an game made in Babylon.js. Babylon.js is JavaScript framework, not only for games, but I think it's mostly used in interactive media and games. So that's okay. Let's check out the source code that Sacristian wrote. Okay. Let's see, I haven't checked the code. There's a lot. Oh, he used TypeScript. That's awesome. That's cool. There's a cannon. How does the cannon look in JavaScript? Oh, there's Canon.js. Oh, this is some kind of a library, I presume. Yeah, it's source lib cannon. Fine. Usually they're in Node module, but okay. Maybe I just whatever. Let's see. Oh, index.jsx. Yeah. So So Christian said he used React.js for UI, and everything else he used Babylon.js. Yes, sir. Game UI and game. So 2 different things. Yeah. So far it's cool, readable code, I would say. Yeah, you died. So the thing for this game, I didn't find a restart button or anything, so each time I had to refresh the page. So looking at the code, at least in UI, I don't see any way to restart the game. Return, render game over, or actually in this case, a little code review, I guess. You don't need the else because you would return here, but whatever. It's a bad habit, okay? I'm sorry. Let's not review the code. Yeah. Let's see the game. I'm actually interested in game, the code that I most likely won't understand at all. Yep, here it is. Yeah. This looks like Chinese to me. Like, I guess I know like camera and stuff. So anyway, if you want to check out the code yourselves, I pasted the link in chat. Oh, sorry, not the whole time. This is the game. Let's try out the game, shall we? So left mouse, click and drag to rotate, and space to shoot. Should be easy enough, right? Right? Okay. Oh no. Oh, hey. Okay. Where is it? What happened? Oh, it loaded a new level, I guess. Yeah, it loads a new level each time. Oh, no. I died. Yeah, so this is the game. It feels like, I guess, whenever you had a very bad computer and you wanted to play Doom or Quake or something, and you had to resize the screen to be very, very small for your computer to be able to, handle it. So this reminds me, this small window here, that, hey, it didn't refresh the game. Okay, I thought it would refresh the scene whenever I kill a thing, but looks like not. Okay, 2 points I have. Nice. This is the furthest I got in this game. 3 points. No, where is it? Oh, crap. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh crap. Oh, I'm sorry. This is very stressful, and I think Sacristian managed to follow the theme very closely on this game. It definitely feels like I'm blind and have this small window to actually look through and do stuff. So definitely I have a blind spot and don't really see where the enemy is coming from. So yeah, kudos for that. Oh no, okay. 3 points is the most I can get in this one. So anyway, yeah, it could be nice to hear maybe some, I guess, sounds. Sounds are also always nice, but this was a game jam. He made this as a small learning project, and yeah, I think he learned a lot. He's a very, very talented developer, and it's kind of cool to see what like a professional game developer makes with some completely new technology. So I love to see this. I hope Sacristian also participates in the next jam. So yeah, it could be nice to see some, I guess, devlog or something, how he made this, what were the difficulties and stuff, but this time around it was an optional thing to actually create a devlog, so that's fine. Yeah, good job, Sacristian. Okay. Let's move to the next game. Next game is Conqueror. Conqueror. I'm sorry, I'm so bad at English. So let's go to GitHub and see the game code. And actually, this is the first game engine that I haven't heard of in this jam. So that's nice. That's really good to discover new game engines. I will paste the game code also in the chat for you to look at. So it's written in Lua. I don't really know Lua. I kind of did some things with Lua in the, what's it called, core game engine I experimented, but other than that I really don't understand it. But rush duration, okay, those are all variables. Yeah, this looks super complex to me, and I mean I kind of understand it, like you push a key, there's an event. Yeah, those are the ifs and else ifs, okay. Those are debug comments left in. But code is very nicely commented, so I think if I really wanted to understand it, it's definitely nice, and like everything is explained. Yeah, you delete all visuals and stuff. That's cool. And also, what I want to mention in this code, what I really like, is that all the variables are named after what they do. There are no like X or Y or A, B or C variables and stuff like that. So that's definitely plus points from me. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, maybe on the next jam let's have code quality as a as a voting factor. That's no, I don't think we should though. That is half a joke maybe. What do you think? Let people review the code and vote on your code. No, I don't know. That seems a bit too technical in my opinion. But that's a thought I have. Yes, this looks very readable, very nice. Very nice Psemo, very cool. Okay, I know you're all here for me to just play the game, so... Oh! There's a web build. I downloaded it before. I didn't know there's a web build. Is the web build like a new addition? I don't know. Okay, let's play. Solar 2D. Oh, crap. I died. So there's also no restart button or anything that I know of. So was to move and space was to shoot and shift is... Okay. This is a very challenging game, you have to... It's like Agar.io in the sense that you have to eat these green pellets to actually upgrade. And... Okay, now I can shoot. The smaller enemies are actually those... The smaller enemies are so hard. It's like so hard to see them. And also you can see the theme in play here. You have your blind spot, you don't see all the enemies. It's pretty hard to keep track. It's a very challenging game in my opinion. Yeah, I would love this. It would be like... I don't know, like... I would love if this would be multiplayer for some reason. Maybe because it just reminds me of those Agar.io games. I don't know if it's that's good or bad. But this is pretty cool. Again, like the small enemy got me. Yeah. I like the simplicity of the game. What else? I would love some sounds, of course. Sounds would be nice. Yeah, here's the, coding and all the credits. It was made by a single developer, and I think all the games are made by a single developer. Okay, Psemo writes, I will watch the YouTube video. For some reason my internet can't keep up with 1080 60 FPS right now. It could be you, or it could be on my end actually. I hope it's not on my end, because I want to upload the VOD later on YouTube, so yeah. I hope everyone else is not having issues, but you never know. Yeah, I will try again. Refresh the game. Let's try. This is a bit like addicting game. I kind of want to. I haven't gotten any like upgrades yet, so oh, I didn't even see that one coming. For me, it works great, Nezvars. Scanum, everything's good here as well. Okay, good. So Psemo definitely watch the recording. And I think this will be a bit shorter recording. I usually plan an hour on these gameplays and reviews, but we have 3 games, so we will get through them a bit faster, of course. Okay. I mean, I like this game. I really do. But as usually, I kind of like all jam games that are submitted in the jam, so I don't know how valuable is my feedback in that sense. Yeah, because I'm very proud of you all who actually like submitted the games and had the time to code and learn something new, or like continue learning the engine you discovered in the first place. So that's always nice to see. I love jam games. I really do. They're awesome. Like, people come up with the coolest ideas in limited time. So this one is really cool. There's a lot of game mechanics here. As you can see, I'm very bad at this game, but judging from the screenshots, because there were screenshots, well, at least one right here. Oh, sorry. Like here you can, I don't know if you can see, but there's a higher attack speed, bullet penetration, higher rush speed, upgrade options and stuff like that. So I presume if you kill enough red dots, like shoot enough red dots, then you get those upgrades. But I'm too bad at the game, so it is what it is. I hope you had a good look of it, because it's great. I will try it once more. Maybe I will get to the upgrades. And like the premise is like very simple, but yet it's a bit like complex here. You need to pick up the green stuff. Your vision is limited, and there's like a skill system, leveling system, so there's a lot of stuff going on here. Yeah, those small ones are the ones that usually kill me. Yeah, I almost didn't notice that one. Okay, cool. Bullet penetration. Okay, I guess higher attack speed. Nice, I got an upgrade. Yeah, I can shoot faster now, so that works. Yeah, and like the sounds and restart button are the 2 things missing, and this is like already a pretty much complete game in my opinion. Yeah, okay, I will try to get my high score. Oh no, okay, 14 is my high score. They start to appear after score 12. Yeah, I'm really bad at this, I'm sorry. But yes, cool game. Thank you for your submission, and I do hope you participate again. Yeah, we have one more game to check out, which is like, it was super creepy. I don't know. Those eyeballs are. I did play it before, and yeah, it's 200 megabytes. Actually, I have downloaded it already, so I won't download it again. Why doesn't it let me show in the folder? Okay. Yep, let's see. Sorry. Can I do full screen? Okay, I can not do full screen, but this is close enough. Good. So this one is super hard. And I think, like, it's hard because you have limited space. It's creepy because it's dark. And the enemy is, like, spawn behind you. That means, like, the tactic, like running and watching back, doesn't work, because at some point you will turn around and there will be just enemies there spawned. Yeah, you see my health just dropped because the enemy spawned behind me. And yeah, basically by not looking where I'm going, I just spawn more of them. So, and I think Skydam actually said that there's a version with sound, but the sound did crash the game. That's why he uploaded the version without sound. Okay, so this is the only game with the restart button, and I think that's the best feature. Also, I like... Ooh, oh no, they fly. I thought I was in a safe space there. Oh, creepers, go away. Yeah, what I would like to see here, maybe some score or maybe some progression. Like maybe different types of weapons or something, you know, like in any shooter. Oh no, there's so many of them. I can't escape them. I mean, these gravestones help to escape, but again, they're doing... Oh no. Oh no. They're not doing that much, you know. Because they always spawn behind you. It's super hard. Oh, those eyes are so creepy. In the first build, like, they didn't follow you right away. And I didn't understand, like, they basically they were just floating balls, like gray balls, turned around. And when I approached them, it was super creepy that they all just looked at me at the same time. Yeah. Okay, scanning them writes, well, the sounds should be there, except shooting sound. At least I think so. Okay, let's try again. I don't know, I don't hear any sounds. Let me increase my... Okay, for some reason I don't hear any sounds. Yeah. I like that the hitbox is visible. That's awesome. Oh, no. They're always behind you. For some reason, that's super creepy. If you hadn't, like, basically, I think this would be a great horror game if you didn't really have, like, convenient means of defending yourself. Like, you had to escape the eyeballs somehow, or get them, I don't know, killed by the environment or something. Yeah, this is... I think it's a good premise for a small horror game, in my opinion. Nice, they're stuck there. Oh, look, you see, those eyeballs don't see me. You approach them and, like, dun dun! So scary. I like that. Oh, so many. Yeah. It's so creepy that they don't look your way and they just turn around when you're near. I don't know why. It's very. I don't like the feeling basically when when they do that. Yeah. I'm surviving for a long time though. I'm getting better at this game or just lucky. No worries, still a great game. I'm really enjoying it. As you can tell. Yeah, some eerie music and maybe some horror game mechanics, and this is awesome. Yeah, so we'll post the source file and everything on Sunday. Scan them. Where's the source code? Let's see. Let's view the game page. Okay, cool. He promised us a devlog. Let's remind him until he makes a devlog. Cool. This will be a little game created for Alternative Engine Jam 2. This is my second project on itch.io and the second game jam I have ever took part of. The game is made in UpBGEA. Yeah, this is a Blender game engine. And I recently discovered there's another Blender game engine. I don't remember the name of it. But basically, there are two Blender game engines now. So that's cool that community is keeping the Blender game engine alive. Yeah, awesome. Just registered at GitHub to do those things other time. Okay. If you need any help with GitHub, scan them. I think we have a lot of people that know how to use it, so don't be afraid to ask in Discord. Either I, Nezvars, or there's a lot of people that can help you with GitHub or GitLab or any other source control basically. So don't be afraid to ask. We will definitely help you upload your files and stuff on like open source. Yeah. Because I know when I first started using Git, it was very confusing. Yeah, so we are here to help you, no worries. Yeah, this looks great. And actually, what I found out that I think you can code in Python too. Yeah, there's Python API. So if anyone knows Python, you can use this engine and not only code with the logical blocks, but also code in Python. And pretty much do whatever you could do in an older Blender version. Nezvars, I love using GitHub desktop. No need to learn all console command crap. Well, I have had a very bad experience with GitHub desktop, and I lost all my I guess, what was it? It was an assignment in university. I was like up all night coding this. It was some kind of pathfinding algorithm I needed to code. I was up until like 4 or 5 a.m. at night, and I needed to submit the assignment at 8 a.m. And I don't know what I did, but I think what happened was the GitHub desktop stashed my changes. And then I checked out on the main branch and it deleted the stash. So all my code was gone just because I pushed some wrong buttons on GitHub desktop. It was an older version though. It was one of the first versions of GitHub desktop. So maybe that's better now. But since then I don't like to use any Git UI tools. But I hear it's more stable, so yeah, so maybe it's fine. Just I have some paranoia with desktop GitHub tools for some reason. Yeah, some PTSD. Okay, so are you ready to see the results? And remember to join the next jam. Okay, let's see the results. How do we do this? Since we have 3 submissions, since we have only 3 submissions, I will announce the 3rd place, and then I will announce the 1st place. So I guess to keep you guessing, Skyrim just uploaded the 3rd version. This time it has sounds. You know what? Let's try it with sounds. Why not? We still have time, so let's see. Version 3. Let's go. I wanna hear the sounds you chose for the game. So, how are you all doing, by the way? Any plans for the next game jam? Any other engines you all want to try out? Or just continue to use some known engine maybe? It's also fine if you submit here a Godot game, or I don't know. Unreal Engine is also kind of open source, so I guess it's okay for Unreal Engine games too. Skyrim definitely will try to use something else next time. Maybe try out the other Blender game engine, no? Like, I'm just curious. I'm bad at Blender, that's why I won't use it, but I'm curious about the other game, Blender game engine. I don't remember what was it called. I saw a video recently and also posted. What was the name of it? Range engine. Yep, that one. Maybe, yes. Nezar's game from scratch showed it. Oh, yeah. It was a games from scratch video, yeah, that I found. I did post it in Discord too. Okay, 7-zip. Let's do this. Well, okay, there's. Oh god, now it's so loud. I have to turn it down a bit. Oh, that slap. That slap slapped me right in my ears. Oh god. Oh, I died. That slap slaps. Those sounds are so funny. That's so so juicy. You know, when you shoot the eyeball, it's so juicy and that's so. Now it turned from a horror game to something I don't know, gory and humorous a bit. This is so fun. It sounds definitely so fun now. So much more fun. How you can reach me? Oh no. Every time they slap me, it's kind of it's like they're slapping my butt, you know. The sound, it's like, where did you go? Hey, come back. Oh no, I'm not going there. What happens if I don't move? Like, oh no, I think they will spawn anyway near me. Okay, what happens if I don't move now? No, okay, they still find me. Maybe this is the god tier strategy for me. That one, just, I'm out. No thanks. Okay, this seems to be working actually. Maybe the cross is protecting me. Like, yeah, the cross is definitely protecting me. I should didn't create more waves. Spawned slowly and didn't create more waves. Oh, that's why I survived longer. So sounds is definitely a must for a game. They add so much, and this is now so funny. I love it. Awesome. I definitely didn't expect those sounds, but it made my day. So awesome. Okay, cool. Okay, results. Are you ready for the big results, the big reveal of the night, of the game night? Okay, let me just... Didn't figure out how to automate the waves getting bigger. No worries, you will figure it out. I definitely am sure of that. Like, because your previous game, I guess it was very different from this game, but you still, this game is, I guess, more, it feels more complete than your first game, so you are definitely learning a lot, and that I can see. So you have made progress, in my opinion. Okay, I will figure out how do I... Okay, view results. So let's reveal the third place, and then I will reveal the first place. So you have to guess, I guess, which is the first place for a bit. So in the third place we have Bogged by Sacristian, made in Babylon.js. Congratulations, Sacristian. I don't have any sound effects. Let's see. Let's go to OpenGameArt. And let's just search for I don't know, victory. Yes, congratulations. So Christian on the third place. Awesome job. Thank you very much for the participation. And I hope to see you again on the next jam. So, the first place. Who do you think? Like, are there any, like, I guess, predictions? Who got the first place this time around? Who do you think? I will keep the suspense off for half a minute, I guess, maybe. Scandom says, definitely I am not the first one. Okay, any other predictions? Scan them. That's okay. You can post updated versions throughout voting period. And what I try to do, I try to rate the last version. So, yeah. I think it depends when people played your game, like at what time point, and if they replayed your game and maybe updated the results, like. So it really depends when they tried your game. But yeah, I try to play at the very last moment to see all the updated versions. So it's not against the rules to update your game, it's actually encouraged to update your game. That's my opinion, and that's how we do things here. Okay. If there aren't any more guesses, so the first place. Let's put on some music. I will lower down a bit the desktop audio so you don't hear the music so loud. So the victory song. Let's do victory song for this one. Yep. No, not exciting enough. Just victory. Let's do this. Oh, okay. That was. I don't know. Which one? You know what? I will reveal the. Let's do the first one. That was good. Yeah. So, where? I kind of. I lost my window. Oh no. I lost the window. Okay, here it is. And the first place goes to Skandem with Watch Your Back. Congratulations, Skandem. Your prediction was very, very wrong. You won the game jam on your second try. Definitely well deserved, and it's a really great game. So I await your GitHub source code, I await your devlog on this one. Yeah, I can't wait to see. And of course, second place goes to Conquer. Also a very awesome game. So all the games were pretty challenging. All the games were great. I definitely encourage you to try again, to make better games, to try out some new game engines. So, good job everyone. Good job. I'm very proud of you. So, you can see like my criteria. Did you like the game? This is the place is the same. If the game is the game engine unheard of. So it's interesting to me that in this category, still like the Blender game engine wasn't heard of. So that's very interesting to me. Yeah, and yeah, and also very interesting. Most people have heard about I don't remember what was it. It was Solar 2D engine. For me, this engine I had no clue existed. So for me, the first time I heard about this one. So for me, this is a new discovery actually. Yeah, I knew about Babylon.js because I'm a front-end developer. So yeah. And I knew about Blender Game Engine because of the previous jam, but I had no clue about about again what was the name? Solar 2D. Yeah, that was the name. So anyway, awesome. So congratulations again to everyone. Yeah, I will update the page in a bit. Let's edit the jam. Let's make that everyone sees the results. Okay, and I will also update the winner of the jam. Let's see. View game page. Okay. Where's how do I not edit theme, edit profile. Cool. So here we go. Watch your back. Do 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 do. Insert. Awesome. Congratulations. Same. I just googled open source game engine and picked few. It was the first time I heard about it too. Yeah, it's the joy of discovery. I hope to see these are all the game engines that are used in this jam so far. I will keep the list updated. Yeah, you can see all the list here and everything. So maybe you saw some game engine that you want to try out yourself. So yeah, go ahead. And another thing I kind of wanted to share with you all, maybe you saw in Discord in Meetup chat that we discussed upgrading the homepage. This I will be working on till the next jam. So if you see some visual changes to the game page, don't be alarmed. It's because it's planned. It's yeah, so these will be the changes I will make to the homepage and the jam page. The theme will be a bit different. I do welcome all the feedback for the new jam theme, because now it's a bit simple and I kind of wanted to upgrade it a bit. Yeah, so any feedback welcome. And another thing is we will have a meetup in our Discord voice channel. It's an online meetup. So everyone is welcome. Mostly we speak in Latvian, but if anyone joins that doesn't speak Latvian, we speak English, I guess. Yeah. So I will copy the link. Yeah. Join that one. We will discuss the submissions and basically anything and everything open source game dev related, and just show your projects, and we just chill in the Discord and discuss stuff. Yeah, the next one is in November 10th. Yeah. Okay. Thank you again. Don't forget to join Discord, join the next jam, submit your theme ideas. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.